Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Maki Hoju. Code JUQ259. Released on May 9, 2023. And it has 120 minutes watch time. The story is about beautiful auntie and her nephew. One day, the guy went to his auntie and his uncle's house and he stayed there for a month while preparing for his entrance exam. Apparently, the guy cannot focus on his study because the guy keeps thinking about the girl. So the next day, when her husband went out for work, leaving them alone at home, so the guy asked the girl for a favor. In order for the guy to have some motivation on his study, the guy wants to do playtime with the girl. At first, the girl hesitated, but later on, she eventually agreed. So afterwards, they went to the living room. While at the living room, things went out of control. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story began.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.